Hey guys, what we're doing here is a walkthrough of this lab right here. This is ORDS Build Powerful Secure RESTful ORDS APIs. It's one of the live labs that we're presenting at Cloud World. What I'd like to do is a couple things. So this is just a straight up walkthrough. Maybe not a tutorial, but I'm just going to go through the labs as you would if you're a participant, or you can look back at this if you attended Cloud World and you just want a refresher on some things. I may expand on some areas here that aren't. That's some areas that are not in the outline, or some of the things that we didn't get a chance to cover in Cloud World. Or if you just want to watch, then you can just watch. But I'm at the Oracle LiveLabs here. I just typed in ORDS, so I changed these labs to where they all have this prefix, this ORDS prefix, so it's a little bit easier for you to find these. So we want this first one here. This is like I think we called this a master class at Cloud World. It's more like a primer, just kind of like a tell me everything I need to know to get started to work with ORDS in the autonomous database. It's not designed to get you to like the expert level, but it is designed to at least get you acclimated to all the different features. All right, so if you take a look at the left side of the screen here, with the exception of like these more generic labs, lab 3, 4, 5, and 6 are like the meatier portions of this entire live labs here. So we'll definitely do videos for that. But we're at the introduction here. So it just briefly talks about, ORDS at a very high level. And then like where you can deploy it. So you can see here, we've got 3 different options: WebLogic server, Apache Tomcat, and then the standalone mode. Standalone mode is a Jetty server that is included in the product. And then this is not necessarily ORDS, but it does talk about just what REST is, representational state transfer, basically how the internet works. If you are interested and you want to learn more about ORDS, the easiest thing to do is just go to oracle.com/ORDS. When you're on this page, you'll see these 3 different links here. The first one is your download. You can see here, this will download the latest zip file here. This is our form here. So it's not just our form, but it's ORDS, SOTA, and JSON. If you are spending some time on the website, blogs, best practices, and then we've got these 2 right here. You'll probably want to bookmark these guys here. This is our best practices. And then if you are OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, and you are deploying ORDS, and you want to do so with high availability, there's some information here in it. Okay, we've got Docker containers for actually tons of stuff you see here. But specifically for ORDS, we've got these 2 containers here. And then if you don't want to go through the whole trouble of like searching, if you want to just bookmark for the ORDS containers, then you've got this short URL here, and then you've got this one here. So this is the long-winded introduction lab. The next one will be some combination of like logging into OCI and then provisioning a database, and then we'll actually get into the ORDS lab itself. The second video might be good if you've never done it before. I often make mistakes, so I will try to provide commentary where I make those mistakes, and hopefully you can avoid those. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks.